Soulmates.
See, about soulmates, what we are going to any relationship, what is happening around us, they're all linked up with the past life karmas. Say, if you run away from somebody, so that person comes back for that moment only, what is left over. It could be even 10 days. So when the 10 days are over, then you walk off. That karma is over. That's how we react to each other. See, like we are sitting in a group. We don't know each other from the last days, but only in one day you come into contact. This is how people meet. This is how it is linked up. This is how you fear somebody the moment you see somebody. This is how you hate somebody the moment, because we don't know each other physically, but the soul knows what we were to each other. That's how we react. That's how we love somebody so much in one instant. This is soulmates. But how to ascertain if that is the soulmate that you're going to spend that lifetime? Because all are soulmates only, what come into your life. That is the main thing.
So the main thing is, it's not one person.
It could be, because we've gone through a lot of hundreds of lives before. So each life has a soulmate. But a lot of these soulmates, the destinies were fruitful. They were over. So that's why they don't come back like that. Only the ones whose karmas are left unfinished, they come and latch on to you. And you have to go into them to come out of it. You can't run away from that. That's going to hit you, whether you like it or you don't like it at all. This is how it is.
Characteristics you are looking for in your soulmate?
No, nothing. She has to be a soulmate. She could be a black, she could be a white. We never bothered about that.
How will you know when you see her?
So when that comes, we'll have to find it with dowsing. Or we go to Dr. Brian West for a regression session, like the book he has written, Love is Real. You find how two diverse personalities from different countries come and meet together. He comes to know during the regression of both of them that they are soulmates, but he is not allowed to tell. But in the end, both of them come to know that they are soulmates, they get married. This is that book, that Love is Real, what the second book he has written.
He has autograph that I've given.
Yeah, then he sent an autographed book to me.
Have you traveled outside England, India?
No, I don't have any desire to go out, because going out means you want to make money, then you go out. Otherwise, there is no need. You can earn money here also. The only reason I can go out if that soulmate is out there somewhere.
Then you will.
If the call comes, then I'll have to go. Because I have to lead the life as she wants me to lead.
So this idea of arranged marriages you see as a form of prostitution?
No, it's not. But this is all karmic.
Even arranged marriage is karmic.
They are all karmic, because that's how we come into contact too. This is what relationships are, because they are leftover karmas from the past life. They have to come into your life, whether it is for 1 day, for 10 days, or 100 days, or 10 years, or lifetime. When the karma is over, you both move forward.
So even the friends we have,
everything is connected. When you
previous life.
Yes.
Is there anything else you would like to talk about in gem therapy?
No, this is a very simple science. It can be explained in a simple language. That's what you asked is good enough to give a broad view of what we do.
Okay, thanks.
Because we have this one picture of that whole chakras that can completely tell you everything.